In this video, we are going to cover our travel from India to New Zealand. If you are new here, this is the joint account. Subscribe to the channel and let's move ahead. So our plan was to leave Bangalore at 1:30 am and take a 5.5 hours flight and reach Hong Kong at 9:30 am. Post a 12 hours layover, we are supposed to leave Hong Kong at 21:35 and after a 11 hours flight, we would reach Auckland at 1:30 pm on the second day, and post a 4 hours layover, we are supposed to reach Christchurch at 8 pm. So we reached Bangalore airport about 3 hours before our time and checked in, and post that we proceeded ahead. Just so that you know, Bangalore Terminal 2 has been declared as one of the most beautiful airports in the world. This is some place where you can roam around and have your eyes lit. We proceeded ahead to the lounge area and waited for our flight. आज का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका?
बहुत अच्छा लगा जी।
तो इमिग्रेशन के टाइम पे क्या हुआ?
इमिग्रेशन के टाइम पे जस्ट मुझे पूछा जी आप फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहे हैं, तो आई सेड यस। क्या कितने दिन के लिए जा रहे हैं? फिर ऑलमोस्ट 15 डेज के लिए। ओके, दैट्स ऑल।
So that was all? No more questions?
नो क्वेश्चंस।
So this was the first stamp on your passport.
यस, डेफिनेटली।
Congratulations.
थैंक यू।
So guys, our immigration has been done and now we are waiting in the lounge area, and yeah, in about 10 minutes we are going to board the flight.
You didn't say about your goof-offs? What kind of goof-offs you have done?
No, that's a story for another day.
Are you allowed to enter into Hong Kong?
No, not
So
at
what will
this
you
point.
do? How are you going to manage in the airport?
We'll see once we get there.
So we arrived at the gates during our boarding time, and you can see there are SIM companies over there trying to distribute SIM, but we had planned to take it at New Zealand. We boarded the airline, and you can see an array of movies to choose from, and here we take off. So food arrived soon, and we had taken some non-veg meal. You can see there are fruits, then there is yogurt, there is a croissant, and I had taken eggs and chicken. So our flight was delayed by 1 hour, but finally we were arriving at Hong Kong on time. So when we arrived at Hong Kong, it was raining cats and dogs. You can see that. So we had a 12 hours layover and had no plans of going outside the airport. So we will use all this time to explore the airport. So Hong Kong is the first stop for us during our tour to New Zealand. Hong Kong layover is about 12 hours for us. For entry into Hong Kong, you need a pre-arrival registration that can be done within minutes and all, and the result arrives instantaneously almost. So from 4 of us, 3 of us have pre-arrival registrations, but as you can see, it's raining a lot today in Hong Kong, so looks like no sense going outside, and we will see the whole entire airport of Hong Kong. Since we were reaching New Zealand on second day, the first thing we needed was a good bath and get freshened up. You can see there are all the types of arrangements done in the airport itself: towels, toothpaste, toothbrush, soaps, and you can go and get yourself freshened up. And after that, we went around the Hong Kong airport. There are a lot of places to visit over here. There are games to play. There are many kind of engagement activities. Even there is a Sky Terrace garden, which unfortunately we have lost all the videos of. But we enjoyed thoroughly in the airport. There is a child play area. Then there are shopping to be done. There's a lot of stuff to do where you can roam around in the metro also, roam around in the airport. That's how we passed our time. We went to one of the lounges and then roamed around shopping for some of the Christmas gifts, and that's how we passed most of our time. Even before we realized it was time for our flight to Auckland, and it was right on time at 21:35, and we quickly boarded the plane, and you can see we are served with our menu where you can have your dinner, snacks, breakfast, all the menu arranged, and there you can have your drinks, whatever you require. It was a wide array of menu, and we had chosen different kinds of menu. This was a like low calorie meal that she had which had nothing. Mine was again a with some noodles and some chicken. So I had ordered myself some noodles and chicken, and with some fruits dessert in the form of yogurt, and a bread and some butter with good strawberry jam. Just like that, 10 hours passed for us, and we were having our first views of New Zealand, which was really beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful countries across the world. We soon reached and started towards the gate. So New Zealand has an elaborate process of entry while you are coming from another country. It's very strict regarding some items that you can carry. We proceeded ahead to take our luggage and complete the immigration process. There is an elaborate NJTTA form to be filed. We already had some cash carrying with us, that's why we didn't remove from here. Then we proceeded ahead to the biosecurity. Biosecurity is one of the major checks that is done in New Zealand, and you can only carry few of the allowed items here, so you should be very careful while entering New Zealand beforehand itself. Post completion of our immigration, we went out of the airport, and you can see there are a lot of travel rental companies. For roaming around New Zealand, you need a car. Since we had 4 hours, we went out the airport to gather ourselves some groceries and some other needed items like jackets. We're going to pick up our car, but it's way too windy. We didn't expect that. It's way too cold also. The temperature was 18 degrees, but still. After purchasing some daily use items and some jackets, because we didn't bring so many winter clothes, and we realized only after coming, it was time for our flight to Christchurch. You would find the people of New Zealand are very friendly. Even their airlines, their country is very beautiful. Finally, we arrived at Christchurch airport at 8 p.m. It was completely daytime as the summer season was going on. So here also you can find cars to book. All the companies are there. We will be taking a taxi to our Airbnb. So let's Uber it and then we'll update you. So this is the Airbnb that we booked, and this is a nice 2-bedroom video. So this is a nice 2-bedroom studio, and it's located on the first floor. So you can see as we walk above, so you have to remove your shoes outside, and as we walk above, a family lives downstairs. So this is the place where we got to stay. So these are the 2 bedrooms, nice cozy ones, equipped with warm blankets. You will get everything. The view is also nice. And this is the 2nd bedroom. Again, 2 electric blankets, and rest other things are there. This is the living room come the dining hall, and a kitchen. The kitchen that is equipped with everything for cooking, utensils, plates, and all the stuff. So we had a nice stay here. So now we will be going to Dunedin. We'll first collect our car from the rental company, and then we'll drive down to Dunedin and stay with us. So we will show you along the way where are the places that we are going for. It's really gets cold when the wind is blowing a lot, but thankfully right now there is no wind. Perhaps if it would rain, it would be cold. Let's go. Our next video will be our adventures of what we did in Dunedin. Stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.